Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this short video, I will show you how to delete a user account in Windows 11 step by step. Before we begin, make sure you are logged in with an administrator account. You cannot delete the account you are currently using. Now let's start. Click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accounts. On the right side, click on Other Users. Here you will see the list of user accounts on your computer. Find the account you want to delete. Click on that account to expand it. Now click on Remove. A confirmation message will appear saying that deleting the account will remove all data associated with it. If you are sure, click Delete Account and Data. Windows will now remove the user account from your system. The account is successfully deleted. That's how you delete a user account in Windows 11 quickly and safely. If this video helped you, subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical computer tutorials.